Four brokerages dominate where Americans actually invest: Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, and Robinhood. They're all free. They all hold your money. So how are you supposed to choose? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your situation and which one to avoid. Together, these four brokerages hold over $23 trillion in customer money. That's almost the entire annual GDP of the United States, sitting in retail and retirement accounts. They've all dropped commissions to zero. They all let you start with no minimum. So the choice between them isn't about price anymore. It's about what kind of investor you actually want to be. 5 things actually matter when picking a brokerage, in priority order. 1. The quality of the mutual funds and ETFs they offer in-house. 2. The retirement and tax-advantaged accounts they support, especially Roth IRAs and HSAs. 3. Fractional shares. Can you buy $200 of Apple, or do you need to buy one full share? 4. Customer service quality, because at some point you'll need actual help. And 5. Platform polish. How painful is the app and the website to use day to day? Round 1. Fidelity versus Vanguard. The two giants of long-term, no-nonsense index fund investing. Both manage trillions. Both offer commission-free trades. Both have industry-low expense ratios. The differences are in the details. On in-house mutual funds, Fidelity's S&P 500 fund charges 0.15%. Vanguard's equivalent charges 0.04, roughly tied. On Roth IRAs, Fidelity has the better setup, including HSAs. On fractional shares, Fidelity supports them on individual stocks. Vanguard only on ETFs. On customer service, Fidelity wins clearly. 24/7 phone support, walk-in branches. Vanguard is notoriously hard to reach. The verdict: for 90% of beginners, Fidelity edges out Vanguard purely because it's easier to actually use. Round 2. Schwab versus Robinhood. Both target the more active app-first investor, but they're aimed at very different audiences. Schwab is now the second largest brokerage in the US after acquiring TD Ameritrade. It owns Thinkorswim, the most powerful active trading platform in retail. It supports every retirement account type. Robinhood pioneered commission-free trading and built the slickest mobile app in the industry. But it earns most of its money through payment for order flow, selling your trade orders to high-frequency traders. The verdict: Schwab wins for serious investors who want a polished platform with full retirement support. Robinhood wins for casual investors who want a beautiful app and don't mind the structural conflict of interest. To put the scale in perspective, Vanguard manages over $9 trillion in customer assets. Schwab, after the TD Ameritrade merger, also sits at about $9 trillion. Fidelity is just behind at roughly $4.5 trillion. And Robinhood, despite all the headlines and the slick app, manages just $200 billion. That's a 40th of either Vanguard or Schwab. When something goes wrong, the size of the institution behind your money matters. So when do you pick each one? Pick Fidelity if you want a single brokerage to do it all: Roth IRA, HSA, brokerage account, retirement rollovers, with the best customer service in the industry. This is the right answer for most beginners. Pick Vanguard if you're a hardcore index investor who'd rather save the $10 a year fee difference than get help on the phone. Pick Schwab if you want active trading capability, banking integration, and don't mind the slightly cluttered legacy interface. And pick Robinhood only if your priority is a beautiful app for casual stock buying, and you understand the trade-offs of the payment for order flow model. 4 good options. Free trades, no minimums, trillions of dollars of trust between them. The right pick depends on what you actually want to do: long-term wealth building, active trading, or casual stock buying. For most beginners, Fidelity is the safest default. For most serious index investors, Vanguard is the philosophical home. Pick the one that matches your goal and start.